Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of Social Studies class 1. Today we are going to start lesson number 3, School is Fun. I like going to school. For me, school is fun. Where else but in school do you get to learn so many new things? Children at school. What we learn in school? We learn to read and write. We learn to draw and paint. We learn to respect our elders. We learn to help those who need help. We learn to be neat and clean. We learn to do things on time. We learn to talk politely. We learn to share things. We learn to take care of our environment. Important people in school. There are many important people working in a school. They help to make the school run smoothly. Principal. She is in charge of the whole school. She sees to it that we are taught properly. Teachers. They teach us. They love us and take care of us. Librarian. She takes care of the library. She encourages us to read books. Office assistants. They look after the office matters. They also see that the school building is in good condition. Security guard. He guards the whole school and keeps it safe for us. Aya, peon, sweeper. They keep the school clean. They also take care of us. Now, exercises. A part. Take a round of your school and then fill in the blanks. First is there are dash classrooms. Number 2, there are dash teachers. Number 3, there are dash students in my class. My class is class dash. The name of my school is dash. These are the answers in the notes. Fill in the blanks. There are 20 classrooms, 15 teachers, 25 students. My class is 1 and school name is Rachna Public Girls High School. Now there are some words meaning write, likhna, important, zaruri, help, madad, teach, padhana, building, amarat. Dictation words: clean, care, safe, library, share.